Hello students and everyone else watching this video. Today we will understand the idea of the Bernoulli's theorem with the help of a small demonstration. Now let me perform this demonstration and after that I will explain you the idea behind it. So if I keep two balloons and if I blow some air between these two balloons, we observe that both the balloons come closer, right? Why it happens we will understand with the help of the Bernoulli's theorem. Now, what is Bernoulli's theorem? You see, Bernoulli's theorem is related to the fluid. What is fluid? Fluid which can flow from one part to another part. We can consider air or liquid. Now, according to Bernoulli's theorem, the total energy per unit volume of the fluid always remains constant. You see, fluid when it moves from one part to another part, then it will carry some energy. So, how many energies it may carry? Three types of energy: kinetic energy, potential energy and the pressure energy, right? Again, the fluid is continuous object or continuous matter, therefore instead of calculating the total energy, we calculate total energy per unit volume. Now, according to Bernoulli's theorem, this total energy per unit volume, it remains constant. Now, what are the different constituents of this total energy per unit volume? First part is the kinetic energy per unit volume, which is this one. Then the gravitational potential energy per unit volume, which is this one. Again, we have one more part, which is pressure energy per unit volume. So the sum remains constant for a particular fluid. Again, fluid should be non-viscous. Now you see, for a particular height, I consider that this particular term will remain constant because height is constant. Now you observe, this is the speed of the fluid and this is the pressure of the fluid, right? Now, when the speed of the fluid increases, this term will increase, and in order to keep whole sum constant, the pressure will decrease, right? And this is the precise idea behind this phenomenon, why two balloons will come closer. Let's understand. You see, this is one balloon and this is one balloon, and the balloons are surrounded by air particles, air molecules, right? Air molecules. And air molecules, they will exert constant pressure on the surface of the balloon, right? What is this pressure? This pressure is called atmospheric pressure. Now, as I blow some amount of air through this particular region, the speed of the fluid or the air particle will increase in this region. As a result of which, since the speed is increasing, the pressure will decrease. So here the pressure will decrease, right? Okay. Therefore, there is an imbalance of the pressure. The pressure between the balloons will be less and outside pressure will be more. Therefore, this excess pressure will take the balloon or to make the balloon come closer to each other. Okay. Thank you.